All right, in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to insert images into your blog post and also your pages in a WordPress blog. Now, blog posts and pages are pretty much the same, so I'm just going to show you an example of how to use a post. Okay, so instead of creating a new post, I'm just going to select one of the posts that we created earlier. I'm going to click on Edit. And you would probably be looking at the WYSIWYG or the What You See Is What You Get editor that looks something like this. Okay? Now, so how do we put in an image? If you notice carefully on the top here, there'll be an upload insert line as well as several other icons here. So the first icon is to add an image. The second is to add video, and the third is to add audio, and the fourth is to add media. So since you want to insert an image, I'm just going to click on Add an Image, and then click on Select Files to find the image that you want. As you'll see, Select Files now pops up here. So you'll also notice the maximum upload is 12 megabytes. And if I'm not mistaken, usually the file size is about 2 meg, but this one is a little bit higher. So make sure you know what your file size is so you don't waste any time. Now click on Select Files. And then click on the image that you want to use. So go ahead and click on Select Files and then find the image that you want to use here. And I'm going to go through, I'm going to look and find an image here that we can use. So let's these are all royalty-free images. So let's use the skyscraper. And then click on Open, and then you can see that it's being uploaded to my WordPress blog. Okay? So here I can see a thumbnail of the image itself, the file name, the image type, the upload date, and the image dimensions. Okay, so I can give it a title, and also the text, and a few other things here. So let's give it a title, okay? And an alternate text. So what is an alternate text? Basically, when someone puts the mouse over an image, the alternate text is the text that they would see. The alternate text is optional. You don't necessarily have to put it in, but it is nice. And then you also have a caption. Now, captions actually appear directly underneath the image. So I'm just going to copy and paste, and then you can give a description. Now, this is the actual location of your file that has been uploaded to your WordPress blog, and you can see the location here as well, in case you want to find it later FTP-wise. It should be uploaded to WP content/uploads, and then a year, the month, and the file name. So if you want to send a direct link to anyone via email or etc., this is the link that you use. And you can just copy and paste that. And then now you can choose to align the image left, center, right, or maybe no alignment at all. And then you can also choose to display a thumbnail. All right, or a full-size image. These two options are not available because the image is too small, but otherwise, you should be able to specify image medium size or large size. So I'm going to select full size for now, and then click on Insert into Post. Okay, so you can now see my image over here. All right, let me resize this box. So here's my image, and you can see the caption right here. And if I want to continue editing this image, then I just need to click on the image itself. And then the two icons appear. Now, the first is to edit the image, and the second one is to delete the image. Okay? So it doesn't actually delete the physical file from your web, it just removes it from the blog post. So I can click on Edit again, all right? And I'll also see here a scalable size. So I can choose to maybe 60% of the actual size. And I should also be able to see the advanced settings. All right? Now, if you know CSS or custom style sheets, then you can actually put in your own styles here. You can put in the vertical space and the horizontal space, and then there's also some advanced link settings, which you can pretty much ignore for now. And then click on Update, and you can see the image has been updated. So let's update this post, and let's click on View Post to check out how the image looks. Now you can see the image here, and if you notice, when I put my mouse over the image, the alternate text I entered is not visible. Now, since this is a thumbnail, I can also actually click on the image to be taken to the full-size image. So that's how easy it is to use images in your WordPress post or your WordPress pages.